So now let's learn how to use if-else conditions and wait steps inside Shopify.io workflow. So inside the workflow, click the plus button or add button and select if-else to add a condition branch. So set your condition. Example, if contact hashtag VIP, send one message, else send another. And so use wait steps to delay your workflow for let's say 1 hour. So this allows your workflow to behave differently based on contact behavior or data.